Glow Up Soap presents Instant Glow Face Mask with Tamarind. Tamarind is a popular ingredient in many dishes, and its benefits are being recognized for use in beauty products. Tamarind face mask contains high levels of antioxidants, vitamin C, and omega-6 fatty acids. The mask can be used to create a deep cleansing effect on the skin, removing dirt and excess oil while also tightening pores. In this video, I will share how to make this powerful face mask that's going to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads without having to use harsh chemicals or over-the-counter treatments that may not work well as they should. To make this easy mask, you will need the pulp of the tamarind. To get the pulp, you simply boil the tamarind fruit in water until it softens, then let it cool down completely before extracting the pulp from the seeds. Now you are ready to make your face mask. To make this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of fuller's elf powder, and enough water to form a paste. Method: in a clean bowl, combine all your ingredients and stir very well until a smooth paste that has no lumps is formed. Apply this mask to your clean face and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water and apply your moisturizer. It is best to use this mask 2 or 3 times a week for better results, and only use it at night. If you have dry skin, use honey, yogurt, or rose water to make it a much more hydrating mask. This homemade face mask with tamarind has a bunch of benefits, such as removing dirt and oils from the skin, which often clog pores, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by stimulating collagen production, treating acne by killing bacteria on your face that can lead to inflammation or scarring, making your skin brighter, cleaner, and healthier. This is also a great home remedy for removing suntan. Before you use this tamarind face mask, you need to take these 3 things into consideration. Number 1. It is best not to use this face mask for the first 24 hours after using a wax or shaving cream. Number 2. If you have sensitive skin, it is best to avoid fruits with acids such as tamarind, because these acids can cause skin irritation in some cases and may be the reason why you experience itchiness. Number 3. It is best to test whether tamarind suits your skin before using it on a regular basis, so do a patch test on the smaller area of your skin. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found value in it. If you did, then make sure you share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips to make your skin healthier and glowy. Share what video should I make next in the comments. Thanks for watching.